blow up that intro. Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to Inspire Sphere, brought to you by WeGrow. Today, we're diving back into the topic of inflation and some ways we can protect ourselves. But before we get started, if you're not familiar with inflation, be sure to watch our previous video for a quick primer. Now, you're all caught up, right? Great. Let's jump into the action-packed world of protecting your hard-earned money from the clutches of inflation. Inflation is like a silent thief, eroding your purchasing power over time. But don't worry, we've got your back. First up, investing in assets. To battle inflation, you need to invest in assets that grow over time, like stocks, real estate, or gold. These assets can outpace inflation and help your money grow. Investing is your trusty shield against inflation. Next, budget wisely. Creating a solid budget is another vital tool in your arsenal. Keep track of your expenses, cut down on unnecessary spending, and save as much as you can. It's like building a fortress around your money. Budgeting is your protective fortress against the ravages of inflation. Next up, diversify investments. Spread your investments across various sectors to lessen risk. You should also broaden your exposure to different asset classes. And last but not least, we have precious metals. Keeping with the diversification theme, precious metals like gold and silver has proven to be a great inflation hedge when times get tough. Gold and silver have been proven over thousands of years. When big governments see the rains coming, they tend to start buying the shiny stuff at large amounts to protect themselves from the blow. Do what the rich do, not what they say. So there you have it, our action-packed guide to defending your dollars against inflation. Remember, knowledge is your superpower, investing is your trusty shield, budgeting is your protective fortress, and diversifying is your multi-tool. With these strategies, you can keep your money safe and sound in the face of rising prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our next epic adventure in personal finance. Until next time, stay financially empowered and protect those hard-earned dollars. Stay positive.
We grew.